Happy morning, Dhanlakshmi ma'am.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir.
Happy.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. So
Sorry, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Fantastic. That's good to know because we want people to be happy, people to learn how to be happy, people to be practice how to be happy, and teach others how to be happy, so that we can be happy. We'll make our families happy, and we will make our community happy, so that this world will become so happy. Right?
Okay, sir.
Good morning, Veerapandian sir.
Happy morning, sir.
So are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Because the reason why I asked this question is everyone in this world, more than 98% of the people, they lies when we say how are you. Yes, நான் நல்லா இருக்கனே. நான் போய் சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுதான் முதல் பொய், பெரிய பொய். So that's what the research says. So they did a survey. Who are all the happy across the world? So they published it as a World Happiness Index. So in the World Happiness Index, this is the rank of India. So see, what is the importance of happiness in our India? All the neighborhood countries such as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, even Pakistan, they are happier than us. So see the level of happiness in our India. Just ask yourself, are we really happy? Or are we thinking to be happy? Or are we looking for happy? Or are we trying to be happy? Or are we acting as happy? Or shall we learn how to be happy and practice how to be happy? Shall we? கத்துக்கலாமா? Practice பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
So, before getting into our techniques, I would like to give some basic biological background about happiness chemicals. So the reason why we name it as a happiness dose. So whenever we say dose is something, is a measurement. We require some dose to get anything. So here, if you want to be happy, you require dose. Dose is an acronym for all the 4 happiness chemicals, starting with dopamine. Dopamine is also known as reward chemical. Reward, பாராட்டுறது. So சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்களும் வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்றது. நீங்க முடிக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு வேல்யூ, even completing a small task, doing a self-care activities, people feel that it's a selfish. Guys, please have this thing in mind. Whenever you are doing something for yourself, it is your responsibility and it's your right. You need to work minimum 6 hours for yourself. Minimum 6 hours for your sleep. Definitely you have to work on these 2 things. Rest of 12 hours, 6 hours for the society and family, 6 hours for your work. If you can distribute your work like this, you can create a wonders like anything. So please make a note of it and give something for you before you want to give something to others. And eating a food. Yes, don't eat the food whatever you get to your way. For the namesake, yes, I am also eating thrice a day and filling my tummy. It's not the dustbin to fill it, right? Does your tummy is the dustbin to fill it? Or do you want to enjoy each and every sip of your food?
We want to enjoy the food.
Exactly. அதெல்லாம் குப்பை தட்டி கிடையாது, உள்ள எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? காலை காத்தால போட்டோமா, திரும்பி மத்தியானம் போட்டோமா, சாயந்தரம் போட்டோமா, loading or unloading, அது கிடையாது. You need to enjoy each and every sip, each and every smell, the fragrance, the beauty of food. That is what the beauty of enjoying the food. And the smell enjoy பண்ணனும், and the taste enjoy பண்ணனும், and the visuals, பார்க்கிற பார்வை enjoy பண்ணனும், activating all your five senses, the touch, and the touch enjoy பண்ணனும். Everything you need to enjoy it while eating your food. When you activate your five senses while having a food, you will be more happier than anyone else while eating. That is how you can enjoy eating food. This is a beautiful technique actually. It's again a therapeutic technique. How to enjoy eating food. Okay, think of it when you have your food next time. Now come to a next concept, oxytocin. Exactly. உமா மேம் போட்டாங்க, ரசிச்சு இது பண்ணா சாப்பாடு நல்லா இருக்கும்னு. Good, good, good. Oxytocin is a love hormone. நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், என்னை யாருமே லவ் பண்றது கிடையாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Why you are expecting someone to love you when you have an unconditional love with you to share with others? ஒருத்தர் நம்மள கேர் பண்றாங்களா இல்லையான்றத விட்டுருங்க, நீ கேர் பண்றியா இல்லையா? Go and play with your baby, play with the pets, hold the hand of your senior citizens, family members, hug them, give a compliment. Wow, super, fantastic. I told you people to learn positive language. How we learn the laughing alphabet? Learn the positive alphabet. Awesome, beautiful, charming. I'll work it out. I'll design a positive alphabet. What we say, A for apple, like that. A for awesome, B for beautiful, C for charming, like that. This is one of the beautiful exercise. Otherwise, I'll give it to all of you. You create A to Z, that positive words. Each and every one, you create 26 positive words. You write it on a beautiful paper. Write each word in a different color. Use a sketch pens, markers, or a color pen, and place it in front of the mirror. Practice those A to Z positive words. Are you ready for this exercise?
Yes, sir.
So, every one of you, every one of you, start
Yes, sir.
doing this. A to Z positive words. Okay. Practice
Yes, sir.
laughing alphabet. Now we are into the words. This is a positive alphabet words. Okay, we are into the words now. Start creating a positive word from each and every letter. Like how I say, A for awesome, B for beautiful, C for charming, D for daring or dynamic. Like this. You create A to Z positive words. You create your own words. You don't need to say English lave இருக்கணும்னு கிடையாது. A for அருமை. So அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவாங்க. When I used to go to a ground early morning 5 மணிக்கு எங்க பசங்களோட கூட்டமா போயிடும். So ஒரு 30-40 பேர் இருப்போம். நாங்க எல்லாரும் வாக்கிங் பண்ணிட்டு we used to play. அங்க ஒரு பேட்ச் வருவாங்க. So senior most அவங்க retired persons. அந்த பேட்மிண்டன் விளையாடுவாங்க. So நாங்க எல்லாம் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் we go and watch that thing. எல்லாருமே senior citizens தான். அவங்க ஷார்ட் அடிக்கும் போதெல்லாம் அந்த தாத்தா சொல்லுவாங்க, அருமை அருமை. எனக்கு புரியவே இல்லை இனிஷியல் டேஸ்ல, என்னடா இவங்க அருமை அருமைன்னு சொல்றாங்க, எருமை மாதிரி தெரியுது, என்னடா யாராவது திட்டுவாங்களா, எருமை சரியா நீ ஷார்ட் அடிக்கலான்னு சொல்லி. அப்பதான் பசங்க சொல்றாங்க, சார் அருமைனா நீ சூப்பரா பண்றடா, நீங்க சொல்றீங்களா சூப்பர் சூப்பர்னு, அப்படிதான் அந்த தாத்தா சொல்றாங்க. அப்படியாடா, நான் இத்தனை நாளா எருமை எருமை நீ அடிக்கவே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி திட்டுறாரோன்னு நினைச்சேன். So this is how the things. Because of my language issues, அது அந்த மாதிரி போயிருக்கு. ஏன்னா ரெண்டுமே அப்படிதானே இருக்கு, எருமைன்னு அப்படிதான் கூப்பிடுவாங்க, அருமைன்னு அப்படிதானே சொல்லுவாங்க. So I'd like to share this moment and come to a next third happiness chemical, serotonin. We call it as mood stabilizer. So there is a myth, always women will have a lot of mood swings. Still it's a myth, because men will have more mood swings compared to the women. Yes, they never show it, they just showcase. So in the mood swings overcome பண்ணனும் என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம்? meditation, running, walking, cycling, swimming. Walk பண்ணும்போது, so one of the best walking therapeutical suggestion is walking in the beach. அந்த sandல வந்து with a bare foot. அது நடந்தீங்கன்னா, it's one of the beautiful thing and you'll relax like anything. எல்லா பிரச்சனைகளும் சால்வ் ஆயிடுவீங்க. ரொம்ப ஜாலியா இருப்பீங்க. If you don't have a beach, the next suggestible holiday is go to a park. Enjoy the beautiful moments, that happy greenery environment. Otherwise, go to a farming field. Wherever you go, whenever I say walking, do it with the barefoot. That is very, very good. And go in a farming field. If you don't have a farming field, not at all an issue. There are many trees in the roadside. Take a couple of kilometers away from your native or away from the homes and enjoy the beautiful greenery walk, the fresh air. Feel that air, feel the smell, fragrance. Whenever you do something, activate all your five senses. That will make you the real happy. So if you want to feel the joy of happiness, you should activate all the five senses. When I say five senses, visual, auditory, kinesthetic, olfactory, and the touches. All these things you need to activate. And finally, endorphin. So the world's top most consuming drug is painkiller. Everyone, for everything, they consume painkiller. But if you do these simple, follow a simple and powerful techniques, it doesn't require painkiller at all. Starting with the laughing therapy. So we are going to do it at the end of the day, laughing exercise. And essential oils such as a groundnut oil. If you are consuming sunflower or palm oil, I think it's time to switch over to a groundnut oil. This is one of the beautiful thing, because even the research says those who use the groundnuts, they'll never get a heart attack. So low fatty and low cholesterol. Watch a comedy show. Being it Tom and Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, Siri Siri, Aditya, there are channels exclusively for the comedy. And if you get an original dark chocolate, consume it. That's one of the essential things that makes you so happy. Feel it whenever you consume something. And do exercise, whatever the exercise which makes you happy. So we are done with the theoretical part. Are you all ready for the exercises? The small techniques, activities. Arambiklama?
Sir, yes, sir.
So leave your screen. Sit in a comfortable position. Screen விட்டுருங்க. Comfortable position ல உட்காருங்க. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. நல்லா மூச்சு எடுங்க. Inhale. So think of yesterday. Whatever you did it. All the activities you did yesterday. All the activities you finished. Whatever the activities you finished yesterday, think of them. Think of the happy day, happy moments. Out of this happy moments, take one moment, one thing which made you so happy. You are so happy because of that one moment. Recollect that moment. During that moment, how you felt, what your mind says, what your heart feels, and how you visualize the things during that moment. What are all the things you can recollect in front of you? What are all the sounds you can recollect? What are all the touches? What are all the smell you can recollect? Now, exhale and again slowly inhale. Don't open your eyes. Take your hand in air. think of your happy moment and visualize the happy face. Whatever the happy face you can recollect, you draw that happy face in the air. Air. Do it in the air. காத்துலவே வரையுங்க உங்களோட happy face. எப்படி இருக்கு? Now, look at that happy face which you draw in the air. Now, slowly exhale. Open your eyes. Now, you can see a screen in front of you. Now, take a pen. Start selecting any color you wish to, and draw a beautiful smiley. Whatever the smiley you drawn in the air. காத்துல என்ன smiley வரைஞ்சீங்களோ, you draw it on the screen now. You do it. If someone is drawing on your drawing, you please erase it so that you allow others to draw. That is what correcting. You erase it. Don't leave it. You erase it so that they can draw it. So go for a place where you have empty place. Good, good, good. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, Nandakumar sir, Lakshmi Narayan sir, Gomati ma'am, Maheshwari ma'am, Yamini. Good, good, good. Who else? Yes, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, very good. Veerapandian sir, draw பண்றீங்களா?
Yes, sir. I started மத்த யாரோ மேல பண்ணாங்க. I'm waiting.
Okay, okay. இந்த கீழே கடைசில இருக்கு பாருங்க. Right downல. Super, super. That's fantastic. Awesome, awesome. Just glad to see such a beautiful smileys. Superb, superb. Keep rocking. Good, 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 good. Wow. So those who have finished, they can raise their hands so that I'll understand to move to our next exercise. So நீங்க வரையறது ஸ்டாப் பண்ணாலும் தெரிஞ்சிரும். Good, good, good. Superb, superb. Awesome, awesome. Now leave your screens. Keep your devices on the ground. Okay. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. Take a long and deep breath. Close your eyes. Think of one beautiful moment, one happy task you want to do today. You want to do this task. If you want to do this task, think of what are all the things required. What are all the support you required. And think of how you would be happy. How beautiful it would be. What your mind says. What your heart says. What are all the actions that you'd like to do to finish this happy task of the day. Think of that moment and visualize what are all the things, how your happiness would be, and what makes you so happy, and who are all the people who would be around you to enjoy your happiness. Think of them and now slowly exhale. Now, don't open your eyes, close it. Now slowly visualize. Inhale and visualize that happy moment and take your hand. Take your hand and draw the beautiful happy moment in air. காத்துக்குள்ளே வரைங்க. The happy moment வந்து எப்படி இருக்கணும்? How that happy moment would be. Draw it. This is one of the beautiful therapeutic approach. Whenever you draw something on the air, so which is going to represent your happy moment of the day. Just do it. Now, slowly exhale. Feel that happiness. You are so happy. Feel that happiness in you. Take that happiness. Okay. Now, slowly start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Now, you can see a white screen with the grids. So you have your name. Okay, first zoom your box. Okay, உங்க பேர் இருக்கிற box மட்டும் zoom பண்ணுங்க. Don't go to another boxes. Then zoom பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் இப்போ வந்து screen மேல touch பண்ணுங்க. You touch on the screen. You can get a pen. Step 1 is zoom. Just use your both hands to zoom it. You can expand to zoom it. And then you start drawing on your box alone. Don't go out of your box. And this box is your happy moment of the day. Whatever you are going to draw it here now, it is going to define your happy moment of the day. Feel that happiness. You are so happy now. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, இன்னும் ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Lakshmi Narayanan sir. Since the childhood, we've been practicing to be happy by looking at our green color tick mark. So now I am going to give you that green color tick mark next to each and every one of you. வரும் பாருங்க சார். So I'm going to give you the green color tick mark on the top of your name. So be happy and I'm sharing you my love. I'm sending you my love and care towards your happy moments. I'm loving your happy moments of the day. I want all your happy moments comes true. I wish all your happy moments comes true. You can see a beautiful heart which has been there in front of your name. And I'm giving you a golden star. You are the star performer of the day. Yes. With your beautiful happy drawing. Right? So, You can see a beautiful golden stars next to your name. Can you see them? See, you achieved it. You got green color tick mark. You got red color love and care to your beautiful smiley happy moments of the day, and you got a golden star. Yes, what else you can achieve for today? You're awesome. You are the best and you are the great. Yes, what a beautiful drawing by Gomati ma'am. Gomati ma'am become an expert in drawing. Can you see the difference? First day la எப்படி drawing பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்க, now எப்படி drawing பண்றீங்க? What a beautiful canvas. You can see the difference, right? If you have a doubt, you can go back to our WhatsApp images and all. These are like your medals. These are like your accomplishments. How beautiful the day one drawings and how today. See what a beautiful canvas. These are all like a pattern for you people, right? I'm uploading all these images into our Facebook also. So you can download any time and this is your property. Okay. You can make use of it anytime, anywhere. And this is really awesome. Think how beautiful it is. ஒரு நாள் வந்து இவ்வளவு கிரியேட்டிவா பண்றது, இவ்வளவு சந்தோஷமா பண்றது, இவ்வளவு பாசிட்டிவா பண்றது. How beautiful it is to start the day with such kind of a beautiful. That's awesome. Wow, wow, wow. Fantastic. Such great Sunday. Sunday is a fun day சொல்றதுக்கு இந்த real funன்றது இங்கதான் வரும். கரெக்ட்டுங்களா? Are you all enjoy drawing your happiest moment? Are you?
Yes, now exploring our drawing skills.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So those who are artistic, those who are with the artistic skills, they are blessed actually. So there are many people who used to say, I'm not good at art, but see now, they are giving the beautiful drawings. So you are showing that you are the best and you are the greatest person. Over drawing the best and great போடுறீங்க. So that's awesome. So yeah, so I see all done with the exercises. Let me just cross it. Yes, they're done with the exercises. Now this is the time we are going to interpret. Like Yamini is going to talk about Nandakumar sir drawing, Nandakumar sir about Gomati ma'am about Lakshmi Narayan sir about Uma Maheshwari ma'am about Dhanlakshmi ma'am about Veerapandian sir and Veerapandian sir about Vijayalakshmi ma'am and Vijayalakshmi ma'am about Yamini drawing. So the first task is you observe the drawings. These are the happy moments, not just the drawings. Happy moments of their day. Observe it. You don't need to talk about that drawing. You think why they draw this. Okay? What would be the happiest moment for them? You think of it. Then you feel their happy moment. Oh, this is why they draw it. Yes, they would like to be with the kids. They want to be with the friends. Feel that happy moment and give them one positive suggestible action item. Suggest them one possible action item. Action item na சொல்றது வேற, நீங்க சொல்ற விஷயம் அவங்க செய்யணும். உடனே அடுத்த நிமிஷம் இந்த செஷன் முடிச்ச உடனே அவங்க செய்யணும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டியை சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. So don't be a compliment. சிம்பிளா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. You suggest them so that நல்லதா சொல்லுங்கப்பா, நல்லதா நடக்கும்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல நம்ம பழமொழியில. அதேதான் we are going to do. Say positive. Think positive, feel positive, and share positive. That positivity we are going to share and suggest with others. So are you all ready for the exercise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anna.
Perfect, perfect. Yamini, please give your positive, suggestible action item to Nandakumar sir.
He can go out for a walk and observe nature if he'll be happy.
Not to me, Nandakumar sir. You need to directly point Nandakumar sir. Sir, you can do this thing like that.
Yeah, sir. Happy morning, Nandakumar sir. You can go out for a walk in nature and you can observe the things around you. You'll be happy, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. I will do
Oh,
it.
that's
Ma'am. Thank you so
fantastic.
much.
That is what we need, a direct communication. Nandakumar sir, you have suggestible, positive, actionable item for Gomati ma'am based on her drawing.
Komati ma'am, plant a tree so that you will have a very good nature which you can
Okay.
enjoy in the future.
Okay, sir.
Wow.
Okay, sir.
Wow,
Yes, sir. Well done.
fantastic. Gomati ma'am,
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
give your positive, actionable item to Lakshmi Narayanan sir.
சார் ஹாப்பி மார்னிங் சார். நீங்க வந்து பட்டம் விடுற மாதிரி இருக்கு. நீங்க உங்க ஃபேமிலியோட போய் பட்டம் பறக்க விட்டு இந்த வீக்கெண்டை நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க சார். இந்த சண்டேவை.
Super.
Thank you, madam.
That's
Thank you.
fantastic. Lakshmi Narayanan sir. So your suggestible, positive, actionable item to Uma ma'am, Maheshwari ma'am.
அவங்க வந்து ஒரு பார்க் மாதிரி ஒரு இது தோட்டமா வச்சிருக்காங்க. சரியா, ஒன்லி நெட் ப்ராப்ளம் சார். நெட் போயிடுச்சு.
That's fantastic. Uma Maheshwari ma'am. Uma Maheshwari ma'am. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, ungaloda suggestible, positive, actionable item for Dhanalakshmi ma'am.
Happy Dhanalakshmi ma'am. Be happy ma'am. Happy ஆன
Thank you,
ஃபேஸ்
ma'am.
வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு ஃபுல்லா வெரி ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். Be happy, be positive.
Oh,
Thank you.
super.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
fantastic. Dhanalakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Your
Sir.
suggestible, positive action item for Veerapandian sir.
Good morning, வீரபாண்டியன் சார். நல்ல அழகான செடிகள் எல்லாம் வளர்த்து தண்ணி விட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. அப்படியே அந்த பெரிய ரோடுல நல்ல வேகமா நடைப்பயிற்சி எடுங்க.
Super. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Veerapandian sir.
Yes, sir.
Your suggestible, positive action item for Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
Go for outing, sir.
Wow.
Good
Wow.
scenery.
Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Your suggestible, positive action item for Yamini.
Yamini, madam. We told Veerapandiyan, sir.
That's
Yamini,
awesome.
ma'am. Where is it?
Good. So how beautiful the drawing it is. So
Screen
we
is
all-
not there.
Yes. I hope you all enjoyed doing it. Right?
Sir, I'm not able to see the drawings.
Yes, ma'am. I started sharing the screen for the activities now.
Okay.
So now we are going to learn some beautiful techniques. The first one is self-appraisal. Appreciate others. So whenever you want to learn how to appreciate others, you should learn how to do a self-appraisal. Appreciate yourself. Take your left hand, right shoulder, right hand. Come on, say shabash, 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 shabash.
Shabash.
Once again, shabash. Excuse me. So this we know as a bedtime story, bedtime exercise. Okay. Before going to the bed, once you wake up from the bed, you can practice this every day, because you should accept that you should respect yourself as you are the best and you are the good. Okay. Let's go to a next beautiful exercise. This is a gratitude exercise. You should learn how to thank yourself. Thank yourself for being you. Thank everyone who are helping you. Thank everything which is making you happy. Wide open our hands. Show your unconditional love. Open it to grasp all the positivity, all the love, unconditional love from everyone. Say, bring all the love and connect them. Twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart. Take all the love to your heart. Below your chin. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of everything and everyone who made you happy. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Slowly release your hands, start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. And we are going to do our next exercise, which is a self-love. Yes, if you want to show a self-love to yourself, you need to practice this self-love. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale, wide open your hands, raise your head up, and slowly exhale and start bring closer your both hands to hug yourself tightly with an unconditional love. Feel the joy of your self-hug. Feel the hug in each and every cell of your body. Now slowly inhale and wide open your hands. Raise your head up and slowly exhale as such. Your left hand is on the top and hug tightly as such. You are hugging yourself with an unconditional love. Feel the love, care in each and every cell of your body. Move your body with your heart. Now slowly release your hands. Do it as many times as you can. Release all your worries, all your issues, mental health issues, to be happy. Now it's time for happy task of the day. Pick any task. Eating, sleeping, watching TV, listening music, sleeping, cooking, doing your work, painting, dance, whatever it might be. Pick one task and do it after the session to be happy. And it's time for the beautiful, outstanding performance. But laughing exercise. Our laughing master is here. So he's very, very anger man. Okay, he's not as good as he's laughing. If anybody is not practicing, if anybody is not singing with a loud laugh, he will come out of the screen, hug you and kiss you like anything that you will get a lot of wounds. And he will mark the sellotape also. See how beautiful he is having a sellotape in back of it, so that people can easily get it. Okay, let us start. Alphabet.